The sun is rising. The day is a little warmer than it has been the past couple days. The water is still blessed to be out here on the water. Good morning. Ready to hit it out here today. Gonna be targeting whatever bites. Zero expectations. Just gonna be tossing some baits around in the water and hopefully some bigger fish come through. What makes today a little different is, if you guys saw my last video, I installed my fish finder finally on the kayak. So, but one thing I'm gonna focus on is I'm not gonna get too sucked in to figuring out exactly how that works, because that's just gonna take me away from fishing. Right now I just got it on side scan and down scan, and I'm just gonna leave it as is. Hopefully we can get on some fish today. Zero expectations as usual. Guys, the weather is amazing. The tide is low, fishing the incoming. Friends are out, the homies are here. It's a phenomenal day. All right, let's get after it. Are floating away, I just grab a handful of shit. That'll keep me close to it.
Well, you don't have to grab the shit.
No. It's okay. I insist.
Yeah.
I have a much smaller.
Smaller? Oh my god. Yeah.
Appreciate that effort.
Yeah.
This actually isn't bad at all. Booty yet? No booty, no booty.
No booty. Just got out here.
There we go. Yeah, something on there.
Yeah.
I got a bait size sand bass. There we go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's not much, but this does, however, officially beat the skunk. Nice little sand bass. Beautiful colors. Appreciate you. Not the target species, but I mean, when you're dropping tubes and you're bouncing them off the bottom, do you really have a target species? No. It ain't much, but it's honest work. There we go. Something again. There it is, something little. Hooked up, something little. What we got here? Another little sand bass. Oh man, these guys. Like I said, these I mean, I guess we're out here beating the skunk, in all honesty, but I'm about to drop this down and see if I can get on some halibut. Those things are tiny, tiny little guys. All right, we'll move on down just a little bit. See what else I can get on. At this point, guys, I was a little spent. I had been on the water for a few hours now with only those 2 little bass to my name. So I started heading in towards the boat ramp, and right before I got to the boat ramp, I got a call over the radio that the bite was on right near the beach. There we go. Oh, that feels like a nice one. Finally. Finally, man, caught a fish in a while. We have not caught a fish in a while. He chomped on that. Nice spotty. All right, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And of course, with all the chaos going on, with the wind blowing like crazy, fighting the tide on the way back in, and the fact that I wasn't catching a ton of fish, of course I forgot to record an outro. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. It takes 2 seconds. Hit that subscribe button. Take a look at my previous content. I'm really trying to step my game up for the 2026 season. And stay tuned, because I'm still fishing that spotted bay bass tournament. That actually should be the next video you see on my channel for you guys. Until next time, later. I'm the crab whisperer, bro. I'm not joking, he's knocked out right now. Nah, you gotta rub his belly. He's passed out. I don't know if you can see. He's done.
Okay, let's go.